Welcome class 4 in your e-learning classes, and I'm taking your EVS. As before my class, Jaideep sir was taking your classes and he has already completed the first chapter going to school as well as year to year. The last part of the year to year I have taken, but I came to know your answers are not given in the e-portal. So today I will start the answering part, and I will give the answers of the activity book. Today I will discuss all those answers, and afterward gradually I will give all the text questions in your e-portal. Okay, so let's start going to the school activity book, looking around. Okay, today we will complete the question answers. Today we will discuss these answers in the e-portal. Okay, and before that I am discussing it here so that you can write the answers. If you are unable, then you will write it from the e-portal assignment section. I will give all the answers in your e-portal. So go through it and write and copy all the answers from that. And here I am discussing all the answers so that you can come to know about this. Okay. Now the first part of the chapter, or the first part of the activity book is writing is fun, filling the blanks with the correct words. So I am giving you all the answers. You go through it. First question is, or the first fill in the blank is, a dash help us in lifting a heavy thing. So what it would be? It would be, third options are there, trolley and pulley and bamboo. So what it would be? The pulley is the correct answer. And the second, or the B fill in the blank is, a cement bridge is dash than a wooden bridge, stronger, lighter or weaker. So what it would be? It should be stronger. The answer is stronger. B part is stronger. Now the C question, a river can be crossed by a dash, bullock cart, camel cart and vellum. So we know bullock cart moves in a plain, and camel cart always we can found them in a deserted place or in a sandy place. So vellum is the correct answer. They are a small boat by which the students go to their school, especially in Kerala side. Okay. Next question, or the D is, can we build a bridge over a railway line? Yes, we can build a bridge over a railway line. As we have seen already, there is one bridge in our Bardhaman also, where the bridge is overbridge. It is over the railway line. Now next is, the E part of the question is, a bamboo bridge is a dash structure, pakka, semi-pakka and kacha. So the answer should be semi-pakka structure. It is not a pakka structure. It can be broken. Okay. Now true and false, that we know, bridges are made up of cement, bricks, iron rod, etc. It's true, because we know bridges are made up of cement, brick, iron rods, etc. Second, B is given here, people cannot walk on bamboo bridge. So in small places, in hilly areas, people always cross through a bamboo bridge. So people can also walk from it. So it is a false. It is given here, na, people can't walk. So it is, they can walk. C is, 4 or 5 people can sit in a trolley. So it's true, because 4 to 5 people sit in a trolley and crosses the valleys or whatever the places in between the two hills. Now jugat is usually used in villages. Yes, usually they are used in villages because it is an assembling of two vehicles, or you can say these are made up of waste materials, you can say. Now bullock carts are used in deserts. It is false, because bullocks cannot walk in a sandy place. Camels can walk. So in a deserted or sandy place, bullock carts are not good option. Camel carts are the correct option. So it is false answer. Now there are few matchings are given here. We can see actually first one is matches with the pulley. It is a photo of a pulley. Second one, B is actually bamboo bridge. We can see here some bamboos are here, so it is a bamboo bridge. Third one is it is ropeway. As we know, from the ropeway we crosses from one mountain to another, or from one hill to another hill. Now the last one is this one is the fourth one, and fourth one is a concrete bridge. So it is just match of the same thing. Fourth one is given here, and it is the D. This is the concrete bridge. Now you can match them and refer to page number 3. Some questions are given here. How are bridges useful for us? A bridge is built to connect two places so that we can cross through it. It makes communication easier. We know we are, if there is no overbridge in our Bardhaman, then how you can cross that railway line which is in between the station and our school. So we were unable to go to our school on there was no way of crossing it. So the overbridge is there so that we can across that railway line and go to our school easily. So it makes our communication easy. That's why the answer is a bridge is built to connect two places so that we can cross through it, and it makes our communication easier. Second question, what is the need of a trolley? So trolley can accommodate 4 to 5 people covering distances in a short time. It can serve as a replacement of bridge in a hilly areas. As we know, in the hilly areas, bridge cannot be built in those areas because it is very difficult to where you will give the pillars, and it is difficult. So there are only way to crosses the valleys or the places in between two hills. How we will across them? Through a trolley. So trolley is a replacement of the bridges in a hilly area, or you can say a trolley can accommodate 4 to 5 persons from crossing one place to one hill to another hill. Okay. So what is the answer? A trolley can accommodate 4 to 5 people covering distances in short time. It can serve as replacement for bridges in hilly area. And the C part of the question is, in which area do we use a camel cart? As we know, camel are the ship of desert. So in desert area or in sandy places, we can use the camel cart. Camels can walk in sand very easily, which other animals cannot. So it is a good option in a desert area. So answer is, a camel is called the ship of the desert. So camel carts are used in sandy or desert areas. D question is, what kind of wheels do bullock carts have? We have seen the bullock carts have very large kind of wooden wheels, but they are not only wooden. Bullock cart have 2 large steam rims. So rim is made of iron or steel. So what kind of wheels do bullock carts have? Bullock carts have 2 large steel rimmed wooden wheels. So this is the answer. And now, what do you understand by jugal? We know jugal is a special kind of vehicle which local peoples usually make assembling 2 vehicles, or you can say from some waste materials. They are using them and making one vehicle called jugal. So answer is, jugal is a special type of transport made out of waste materials. Its front portion resembles a motorcycle, while the carriage part is made up of wooden planks. So the carriage part, or in the part where they carry the things, or sometimes we can see the people are sitting there. So that carriage part is made up of planks of wood, or they are just joining some planks of the wood and making the carriage part. And the first part or the anterior part is actually the part of motorcycle, or you can say it is assembling of few things to make this vehicle. So Jugad is a special kind of vehicle. That's all for today. We have completed answers the following question as well as the this part. So the first, going to school activity book is finishing activity books first chapter is being finished, and one question, write a short note of my ideal school. I will give it in your homework. So these all I will again give or load in the e-portal. You just go through it and write all the answers from there. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.